This is my 13-year-old MX5 Mark III, and I need to remove the hub, and the reason I'm doing that is to replace this disc, or backing plate I should say, with a new one. As you can imagine, removing a hub on a car of this age can be very difficult, and looking on the internet it seems that everybody has a different opinion on how to do it, and it involves usually a lot of swearing and a big hammer. But I'll show you an easy way to take this hub off without the use of a hammer, no swearing, no extractors, no pullers. All you're going to need, two of these. I'll give you the sizes later. Quite crudded up, as you can see, so I'm going to take a bit of time just to clean that up with a wire brush. I've already removed the brake disc, caliper and ABS sensor. This is all you need: 50mm long 12mm metric fine bolt with nut and a socket, and the idea is that when I locate it, by screwing this it will push that out. So this particular one will go in here. You see the idea. The other side has got to be exactly opposite, so to achieve that I'm just going to put that piece of angle there. I'm going to secure it in position with mole grips. This side will go diametrically opposite there, and when that's in position I'll show you the next step. These are now in position. This is a system I tried when I did the other side, and all I can say is, for me, it works reasonably well considering the age of these fixings. So I'm doing this in real time, and this hub has not been off the car since it left the factory. So I can feel the hub actually coming off slowly, and I can appreciate how difficult it must be doing this using other means. There we go. Very, very awkward and difficult to remove.